The Child Protection and Family Services Agency is this evening reporting widespread fear and trauma among the children of Bath St. Thomas. The agency has been providing counseling in the community in recent days, but it says many of the children will have to get advanced support. Kelisha Williams has that story.
A symbol of refuge. On Friday, the Bath Methodist Church in St. Thomas was a safe haven for these children. They're from the same community, but they no longer feel safe here.
A lot of them are locked in their homes. They didn't even want to walk here, and we had to take some of them out of their homes to take them here.
It became necessary after 2 children were recently abducted in the community. And with the suspect still at large, representatives from the Child Protection and Family Services Agency CPFSA and stakeholders in the community joined hands and hearts to get the children into this safe space for counseling.
We have a couple psychologists here. We have the Smiles Mobile unit, and they are here to work with the children.
We understand that unity is strength, hence we are here to lend manpower.
The counselors gathered the children in groups, allowing for a more intimate setting where each child could express his or her feelings, after which they were taught coping strategies.
What we see so far is that a lot of the children have been indicating a high level of fear. You know, some of them are indicating that they have had nightmares and they have, different fearful and sad thoughts surrounding this incident. So we're here today to just do some assessments of what is happening on the ground, conduct some interventions, offer the necessary support, and based on what we see here today, certainly some will be referred for more advanced interventions.
It's an example of just how far-reaching the events of the past week have been in the community.
We understand that some of the children have to leave the community based on some family members, because some children cannot eat, some of them cannot sleep. They are just gripped with fear, and that is understandable based on what has been happening in the community. Some adults said to me, we were fearful when the first child was taken, but traumatized when the second one was taken.
So what's next?
We are going to be staying here. The officers have been in Bath since it has happened. Our St. Thomas team, Ms. Taylor and her team, they have been here every day, and we continue to give support.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.